Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Mobile Hotspot. First, confirm your Mint Mobile plan supports hotspot usage, as not all plans include this feature. Next, navigate to your phone's settings menu. Look for the personal hotspot or tethering option. Once found, simply toggle it on. Remember to set a secure password to protect your connection from unauthorized access. This ensures your data remains private and secure. Once your Mint Mobile hotspot is active, you can connect other devices. On the device you wish to connect, open its Wi-Fi settings. You should see your phone's hotspot network listed among the available options. Select your network name and then enter the password you set earlier. Your device will then connect, allowing you to share your mobile data. You can typically connect several devices simultaneously, depending on your plan specifics. Managing your hotspot data is crucial to avoid unexpected charges or slowdowns. Regularly check your Mint Mobile account or app to monitor your remaining hotspot data. When you're finished using the hotspot, remember to turn it off on your phone to conserve battery and prevent unnecessary data consumption. You can also adjust settings like the network name or password anytime for better security and control over your shared connection. For the best hotspot experience, try placing your phone in a central location to maximize signal strength for all connected devices. Also, close any background applications on your phone that aren't essential, as this can significantly extend your battery life while the hotspot is active. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, check out the link in the description for a book that offers incredible insights into managing your money. You'll also find other great deals there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.